private transport will be allowed with one-third capacity throughout the state. Private transport will be allowed with one-third capacity, means the numbers of vehicle which needs to ply on the route, it should be one-third. And again, this notification, detailed notification, will be issued by the respective deputy commissioners.